vanilla shell. A vanilla shell is a very typical delivery that you see both in existing centers and new construction. And even though it's common, it varies from landlord to landlord and tenant to tenant. So please make sure to specify your needs, work with your contractor, work with your attorney, and make sure your needs are specified in your agreements. So first off, what makes up the shell? Well, the shell typically has drywall, concrete floor, and a ceiling grid that includes standard fluorescent lighting. Anything additional to this, upgrades, finishes, that type of nature, are generally going to be the responsibility of the tenant. Generally, your utilities are stepped to the rear of the space: electrical, gas, water, telecom, all those items. You're going to need to specify your specific sizes and quantities that you need. In addition to that, they generally provide an electrical panel and distribute electrical throughout the space. So you'll see outlets, and that's just whatever is code requires to have outlet distribution. If you add walls or you change the layout inside, this may change your electrical needs. While the landlord will typically provide HVAC and distribute it throughout the space, please make sure to specify the amount of tonnage that you need for your use. They may only provide what is a basic retailer need would be. So maybe that's 1 per 350 square feet, and you need 1 ton per 200 square feet. That's a big cost difference. Make sure you specify what your needs are, or at least understand what those costs are. As far as plumbing, the landlord typically, besides just stubbing it into the rear of the space, they actually provide you restrooms, which is a huge advantage to a vanilla shell. And a restroom they will provide typically, though, in a standard finish that you're going to have to sort of specialize to your needs if you wanted to have fancier tile or fancier fixtures or something of that nature. In addition, they're going to provide typically what's for a retailer. So a retailer may have a lower level requirement for bathrooms, maybe 1, say for this space, but if you put a restaurant user in here, they may require 2 or 3 restrooms. So, work with what your code is and understand what you're going to need to ask for from your landlord. In addition, mop sinks and water heaters may or may not be provided as part of a vanilla shell. It would be something for you to specify. If you are a restaurant user and you need a grease trap, please specify if that's included in your vanilla shell. Some landlords provide it and some do not, and this can be a very large cost item. In summary, really understand what you're getting. You need to specify what you need, understand what the landlord is providing, and what the difference is between what you need and what they are providing, and really quantify these costs before signing your lease.